019. Catalina traffic. Skyhawk 019 is ready to take the active on 22 for a downwind departure. SoCal 127.4. Okay. Oh, I got a little bit of a traffic jam behind me. But I ain't gonna let them rush me.
No. They're safe to sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, you're holding him off. That's great. They're road raging.
Yep. All right, gonna line up on the runway. And here we go. Oh, shit. Keeping her centered. Come on airspeed. Okay, we're active.
Traffic.
And lift it, flying off. Come on. There we go.
Catalina traffic to Avalon 394 Romeo Bravo, taking the active 22 downwind departure. Around traffic, Cessna 466 long direct. 4190 on. Subject down. Altitude 3000.
Okay, clear to the right. And here we go. Catalina traffic, Skyhawk 019er is turning crosswind. Downwind departure.
Catalina traffic, turning November 66 Whiskey Sierra, take a runway 22 for departure, be a right downwind departure, Catalina.
Clear right, and here we go. Catalina traffic, Skyhawk 019er is heading downwind. Catalina traffic.
Catalina traffic, Romeo Bravo, turning right crosswind, runway 22. Catalina November 6.03 Victor, runway 22, takeoff via right downwind departure, northeastbound.
That's a little bit of a scramble.
A little bit. I thought I heard
traffic, Romeo Bravo, turning downwind, runway 22.
I thought I heard some guy go, something's going on up there.
Yeah, wanted to know if I was okay. I didn't have my radio turned up.
Whiskey Sierra, turning right crosswind off at 22, Catalina.
Like, dude, I didn't have much time, you know?
Yeah.
I don't want to fly without
No, forget
doing
it.
the right
Whatever.
stuff, you know?
Traffic for Romeo Bravo, 3,000 feet, the beam midfield downwind, going to be departing to the north.
Hey, Catalina traffic, Skyhawk 019er is departing to the southeast. Catalina traffic. SoCal, Skyhawk 21019er coming out of Catalina with like a VFR request.
Sorry, what's the request again? Your call sign and your request.
Skyhawk 21019er heading towards San Diego, climbing out of Catalina.
It's hard to cut off there. Was it 2101 Skyhawk?
21019er.
21019er to San Diego, roger. Stand by for your vehicle.
How you doing?
Good. No wonder you're so good at that.
21019er, squawk 0231.
0231 for 019er. 0231. Ident.
No wonder you're so good at that alpha, whatever, terminology. You're always using it.
Cessna 019er, radar contact 5 miles east-northeast of the Avalon Airport at a 3,700, Long Beach altimeter 29996.
29996, 019er.
Air show stuff over there.
Yeah, I want to stay away from there. Bunch of planes.
Uh-huh.
019er would like to climb up to 7,500.
Last contact again.
Skyhawk 019er would like to climb up to 7,500.
019er, roger. 7,500 is approved, thank you.